How to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device, and then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen in the Google Chrome. Scroll down and click on Settings in here. After you've clicked on Settings, on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Then, in the time range, you can select all these options. If you want to delete all, make sure it's all time. And make sure you untick browsing history as well. After you have done that, click on delete data and then you're good to go. This is how to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.